Good evening from BBC London News. I'm Alice Bandukravi. Hundreds of people with mental health problems in the capital are to lose their free travel passes because some councils are withdrawing discretionary freedom passes. But mental health patients say cutting the service will leave them isolated and unable to get to medical appointments. Angela Walker reports.
Andrew Ridge has suffered from depression for over 20 years. Sometimes he spent weeks alone without even leaving the house. These days he goes to therapeutic music sessions and other activities which are helping him to recover. Now, tough new criteria being introduced by Lambeth Council mean he's likely to lose his freedom pass.
Although it's not gone, I've already started to act as if it's gone. I've started to pare down what I do. I don't feel I can take up new things that I might not be able to afford to continue. I don't want to miss things that I start doing, so I'm already less inclined to find new things to take me into the world.
Discretionary freedom passes are given to people who aren't covered by the Department for Transport's criteria, but who have a vulnerability, many of them mental health service users. Over 700 people in Lambeth currently get a discretionary freedom pass. 8,500 people across the capital get one. By scrapping them, Lambeth could save up to £500,000.
There are people who need the passes, who currently receive them, who may not get them in the future because we've had to refocus the service on those most in need.
Lisa Shakir runs a drop-in centre for people in Lambeth with mental health issues.
The main thing about taking the bus freedom passes off people with mental health is they'll become isolated or even gets ill, not keep hospital appointments because they can't afford to travel.
Some councils don't provide any discretionary freedom passes, and many others are now scrapping them or introducing tougher criteria. And that means more people like Andrew could find it a lot more difficult to get around. Angela Walker, BBC London News.